Ever wondered who's backing the rise of Stashaway, the popular investment platform shaking up the finance game? Today, we're diving deep into the world of Stashaway investors, uncovering the key players who are fueling this exciting journey. Stashaway, with its user-friendly interface and automated investing strategies, has quickly gained traction among retail investors. But who are the brains behind this operation? Who's putting their money where their mouth is and backing the future of Stashaway? The answer lies in a diverse pool of investors, each bringing unique expertise and resources to the table. Let's break it down. Venture capital firms, these are the trailblazers, the risk-takers who invest in early-stage companies with high growth potential. Prominent VC firms like Sequoia Capital, Eight Roads Ventures, and Vertex Ventures have all shown confidence in Stashaway's vision. Briefly explain what VCs do and why their investment is significant for Stashaway. Family offices, high-net-worth individuals, and families often pool their resources and invest through family offices. These entities offer long-term, patient capital, allowing Stashaway to focus on sustainable growth. Briefly explain what family offices are and how their investment style differs from VCs. Strategic investors, these are companies or individuals who have a strategic interest in Stashaway's success. They may be financial institutions looking to expand their investment offerings or tech companies seeking to leverage Stashaway's technology. Briefly explain what strategic investors bring to the table beyond financial capital. These investments have not only provided Stashaway with the necessary capital to fuel its expansion, but also brought in valuable expertise and industry connections. Access to global networks, connections to leading investors open doors to new markets, potential partnerships, and valuable industry insights. Enhanced credibility, the backing of reputable investors lends credibility and trust to Stashaway, attracting a larger user base. Strategic guidance, investors often provide valuable guidance and mentorship, helping Stashaway navigate the competitive landscape and refine its business strategy. Stashaway has successfully raised multiple funding rounds, attracting significant capital from a diverse range of investors. These funding rounds have been crucial in enabling Stashaway to expand its product offerings, introducing new investment products, such as robo-advisory services, thematic funds, and retirement planning tools. Strengthen its technology infrastructure, investing in cutting-edge technology to enhance user experience, improve security, and develop innovative investment solutions. Fuel international expansion, expanding its operations into new markets across Asia and beyond. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.